Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to open the settings because unfortunately the timer option is not highlighted in this option bar. So let's enter the settings. They are at the top in this configuration. And here all we have to do is to find the timer. Let's tap on it. As you can see in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option, it will be immediately notified right here. After getting back to the camera, I cannot see the any kind of notification or icon that we applied the timer, but that's okay. For sure it was activated. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button. As you can see, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, we can always turn it off. Just enter the settings again, tap on the timer, not horizontal level, but the timer, and tap on off at the top. Let's go back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.